Come test drive the 2026 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It is the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.